Helping critical manufacturers respond to their supply chain risk management questionnaires is another product or service that Fortress offers. Leveraging our Fortress platform, we're able to ingest the questionnaires that critical manufacturers' customers send to them, and through controls mapping efforts, we're able to take what is being asked of their customers, map that to the controls that they have within their environment, and respond to those customers in a timely manner. Effectively, that allows us to support them in responding to their questionnaire requests in a more timely and complete manner, which enables them to focus on other priorities within the organization.